Hey there! Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your health? Look no further than blueberries. These little berries are packed with powerful nutrients that can help you feel your best. In this video, we'll explore 20 health benefits of blueberries that you may not know about. So, let's get started. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. They may improve brain function and memory. Blueberries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight loss. They can lower your risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce joint pain and inflammation. They may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Blueberries can protect your skin from UV damage and premature aging. They may reduce muscle damage and soreness after exercise. Blueberries can improve digestion and reduce symptoms of constipation. They may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon and breast cancer. Blueberries have antibacterial properties that can fight off harmful bacteria. They may improve eye health and prevent age-related macular degeneration. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function and wound healing. They can improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Blueberries have anti-aging effects on the brain and may reduce the risk of dementia. They may improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Blueberries can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. They may improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Blueberries can improve respiratory health and reduce the risk of asthma. They taste great and are easy to add to your diet. So, there you have it, 20 amazing health benefits of blueberries. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in your favorite recipe, be sure to add them to your diet for a delicious and nutritious boost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness videos.